Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. I'm doing another product review, and this time around I'm doing a review on the ROMOSS 6PS Type-C battery bank. And basically you can recharge any USB Type-C device with it. So I'd like to thank the folks at ROMOSS for sending us out for our review. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright folks, well, we're at the part where we're going to unbox this and see what's inside. So let's get at it. When it comes to you from Amazon, it's basically going to come like this, basically. And it's well packaged, as you can see. Plastic wrap and everything. You know, it's got a real nice weight to it too, so we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what's on the inside. Now, oh, that's right. I learned from my last video that trying to open it up with my fingernails is not a good idea, so I'm going to use one of my fingernail clippers here with the little hook on it and open it up a little bit. Be careful how to open this. And there we go. And we should be. There we go. Got it. All right. See, I learned from my mistake. Alright, here we go. I'm going to open this up. So, as you can see, the plastic wrap is off. And so I'm basically researching how I'm going to open it. Oh, I see what's going on here. They closed it up by putting the label over top of the flap here. Oh, okay. We'll just open that up then. Okay. Alright. There we go. Opened up. Okay, so let's see what's on the inside. Oh, okay. Well, as you can see, it's nicely packaged and everything. So that's cool. I'm going to take the battery pack out itself. Ooh boy, this thing got some nice weight. It's very weighty. So you know, be careful how you carry this around. You don't want to drop this too many times, so keep that in mind. Alright, so that's how it looks out the package. And those are the ports for your charging. The blue port is for the fast charging for your USB device, you know, USB 2.0 device, and that's your regular USB charging socket right there. And right there, this is actually two-way, and I believe this one is the well, you know what, let's read through the manual and see what's going on here. And like I said, it's nice. You know what? Let me push the button here. I see an on and off button here, so let's press on and see what it says. Oh, well, look at there. It just told us how much charge it has. Right now, it's at 75% charge. Now, guessing from my experience with previous reviews I did on battery packs and everything, the manufacturer would prefer for you to recharge them before you use it. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go on to the rest of the video, so that I'm going to show you how it charges up your devices and everything. So I'm definitely going to recharge this after I do this video. But yeah, it definitely has enough charge for us to do what we need to do next. And I also see a manual, of course, that'll tell you about the battery pack. I see that. So I'm definitely going to read this thoroughly before I do anything. And alright folks, well, let's go on to the next scene. Alright folks, I assembled all these items on the table here so we can try out the battery bank on, well, all of them hopefully. So I was trying to explain to you earlier what these ports are, and I got mixed up in there. But after reading the manual, I now know what they are. Okay, that is your micro USB right here. Down here on the bottom, that is your lightning plug right here. You know, for your Apple charging, you know, charge up your Apple products like your iPad and stuff like that. And right here, that's the Type-C plug right here for your USB Type-C plug. Then you got your regular USB 2.0 plugs right here. The blue one down here is fast charge. That's regular up there, and then the one down here is the fast charge one. So basically, if you have any devices that have fast charge capability, you will plug it into this plug right here. So that's interesting. So we're going to go ahead and try these out. So which item are we going to try on this table? Oh, by the way, one of these items, actually two of these items that's on this table, are stars on my videos on this channel. I'll let you figure it out. So the first one I'm going to try out is this fitness tracker right here. So as you notice, the battery's kind of low, so I'm going to go ahead and charge it up. But first, in order for me to charge it up, I gotta expose the USB plug that's attached to it. See? So what I'm going to do is plug it into, I'm not going to plug it into the fast charge one. It don't need fast charging. I'm just demonstrating. So basically, if you have like a fitness tracker and it has one of these plugs, you want to make sure that you make sure the contacts, you see the contacts right there, are lined up with the contacts in the USB port, which is always going to be on the pad that's inside the USB port. Not on top, always sitting on that pad there. Same thing for your fast charge. Now, I'm just going to plug it into here. Uh-oh, I hit a button here. Uh-oh. My mistake, I hit a boot. See, what I just did, I just hit the fitness tracker button on here, and it's looking for my pulse, and it don't see it. But apparently, my tracker has a pulse of 86. Oops. Alright, so let's get back to what we was doing. Get this back to clock mode. And there we go. Now I'm going to plug this in to the port on top of that. Right now, it's charging. See? I'll hit that button again so you can see that it's charging. And I'm going to check the tracker itself. It's still at 75% right now. But as you can see, oh, because I hit that button. Oops. Okay, the charger is back on. So it stops charging when you hit that button. Okay, I noticed that. Okay, so don't do that. So it can charge your fitness tracker. That's good. So what other items we can try on here? Let's see. Oh yeah, this old BlackBerry phone that I haven't used in a while. Well, let's go and plug it into this one. I have to find the right plug for it though. So let's see. Make sure I got the right plug. Okay, yep, I do. I got the right plug right here. So I'm going to plug that into my old BlackBerry phone here. It hasn't been on in a long time, so just had it laying around. Alright, so I'm going to plug it into the regular charger, of course. Okay, let's see what happens. Now, BlackBerry phones are notorious for being finicky about what kind of chargers can plug up into them. So, what I'm going to do next is plug this into the fast charger. So, let's see what happens there. Uh-oh. Something's happening. Alright. Ooh, what's going on there? Oh, the plug is loose. Okay. I see some blinking going on here. Maybe I got the wrong plug here. Let's see. Maybe there's a short in this plug. Let's try another plug. See what happens. Alright. First I'm going to try the regular plug, USB plug. Like I said, BlackBerry phones are notorious for being kind of finicky with different adapters and stuff. So, ooh, and guess what? Success. So there was a short in that plug I had. And it's charging on that plug. That's cool. Alright. Basically, the phone is coming on to charge right now. That's what BlackBerry phones do. First they come on to charge up. They sense something being, there's a charger attached, and then it comes on like this. And then it starts blinking, letting you know that it's charging. So, that's really good. That's really good. Alright. So, we know that will charge up the BlackBerry phone. That's good. So what other devices we can try this out with? Let's see. Oh, these earphones. Okay, let's try these earphones out. See if it'll charge up this. This particular earphones come with its own charging cradle. So what I'm going to do is I'm charge the cradle itself and see if the light comes on when we plug it into the charger. So stay tuned. Well, what do you know? You see that blinking light there? It's charging. Okay. Well, it works on recharging cradles. Okay. Well, we got that part. We got that out the way. Alright, what other items we can charge up? It's just so many items, you can use this with. And I'm just literally trying these out for the first time with the charger, so I'm very much liking what's going on so far. What else? Oh, what about this keyboard? This rechargeable Bluetooth keyboard. Well, let's try that out. I'm just kind of speeding through here too, because I don't want to take up too much of your time here. Demonstrate what's going, this charger, and basically see what it's all about. Well, you both reviewing it together. All right, so I'm going to plug it in here. Oh, yeah. And of course, the charger is letting us know that it's doing its job. So that's cool. And if I were to leave this on, the charger, I'm pretty sure will charge us up until this light goes out. So that's good. That's really good. Alright. What else? Oh! These Bluetooth speakers. Alright. Uh-oh. Oops. Well, I gotta get the other plug for this. As you know, this has got the old style USB plug right here. So I'm gonna have to get that one. So let me see if I can find it. I know I got it on this table here. Unplug this. And, oh, I got it over here. There it is. So, that's the old style plug right here. I'm gonna plug that in here. Plug it in like so, see? And let's see if it can charge up this speaker. This definitely will come in handy if you have like different devices that need to be charged up, but you're nowhere near a wall plug to plug the charger in, and your battery pack will come in handy. So This will come in very handy for that situation. So let's go and plug this into here. Oh wow, check that out. It's charging. It's definitely charging. Okay. All right. So I'm very happy with what's going on here, folks. I wasn't even sure it was going to pass the test with the BlackBerry, but it did. Alright, so I think the last item I'm going to show off is basically this. I'm actually just trying this out and see what happens. It's basically one of those new shavers they got out, and I got this recently, and it came with its own 5-volt adapter and plug. So what I'm going to try out, just because, you know, this may come in handy if you like vacationing and whatever, and you need to recharge your shaver and everything. I just want to see if this will work. So let's try this out. I'm first going to make sure this is plugged up. Going to have its face down right here so you can see it come on when it comes on. Hopefully it does come on. Alright, here we go. Ooh. You see that, folks? Oh. And it's charging. It is definitely charging. Check that out. It only comes on like that when it's charging. And as you can see, the little dim light there, that's definitely knows it's charging. So that's cool. Wow, folks. I love this. This is really nice. Wow. That opens up some vacation possibilities right there. So, you know what? I like this so much, I'm going to go ahead and provide an Amazon link in the bottom of this video. So you better get one of your own, because this will definitely make somebody happy on Christmas or any other holiday gift, or if you give somebody for a gift, this will definitely make somebody happy. Well, okay, well, thank you for watching. Oh, and by the way, I have a Patreon page that I just opened up too, so it's under the same name as this channel. So if you feel like being a patron, go there and look me up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.